Hi guys, hello everyone. This is Sheikh Muhammad. You are watching Muhammad Madhu channel, and today I'm going to discuss you about Udemy courses, guys. This is very much interesting, guys. Before logging into Udemy courses, I'm going to congrats someone in JNQ. Yeah, you can look at here, guys. Before clicking on this, go down to this AP 10th class exams cancelled confirmed by the Education Minister AP. And what happened after that? These were the cancels and AP 10th class exams 2020 cancelled due to current COVID-19 cases increase in state have been announced by Dr. Adimulapu Suresh, Honorable Minister of Education, Andhra Pradesh, in press meet and also announced that all students who were passed and who were appealing this year for exams. Guys, those who are writing 10th class exams all were passed, guys. And another thing too, I'm gonna tell you, AP Inter Advanced Supply and Improvements exams cancelled. And just look at here, guys. This is pretty much awesome, guys. But because in Andhra Pradesh, most of you have written intermediate exams, guys, and some of them were failed. Some 25%, 30% like that. Someone failed, guys. So for them, AP Intermediate Advanced Supply exams and improvements we can get additional marks. Just leave it. Cancelled due to COVID cases. Increase in state have been announced by Dr. Adimulapu Suresh, Honorable Minister of Education, Andhra Pradesh, in press meet and also announced students all are passed. In the intermediates who were failed in exams in first year and second year were also passed in exams. This is very much good news, guys. Why? Because intermediate is just a path to your future guidance, guys. But that's not the only life. What you need to do is just pass and go to your higher education and conquer and conquer your degree like that, guys. That's the best thing I could tell you, guys. Those who passed, you might get good marks. Those who failed, you had another chance directly, guys. And AP government announced that all were passed. That's a good thing, guys. And students can appeal for revaluation recording. Okay, that's another thing also. And this is the happiest moment, guys. And another thing also, guys, I'm gonna tell you. Glen Pharma. I should take see stock price mainly, but what the news is, India's Glenmark to study potential COVID drug combination. Okay, this is 26 May. But what happened yesterday is, see what happened. Glen Pharma becomes the first pharmaceutical company in India to receive regulatory approvals for oral antiviral favipiravir. Sorry, I couldn't pronounce those names, but the treatment of mild to moderate and COVID-19. Means, guys, they have done 3 clinical trials. So what happened is, clinical improved note that across age groups 20 to 90, including parents and with comorbid conditions like diabetes and heart disease suffering from mild to moderate COVID-19. Okay, guys, what's the thing is, favipiravir shows clinical improvements of up to 88% in COVID-19 with rapid education in viral load by 4 days. Means the disease COVID-19 can be cured within 4 days, and what we need to do is up to some 10 days or 15 days you should uh, uh, this is the thing. Most patients exhibiting mild to moderate symptoms, yeah, can be benefited from Fabiflu use. The drug will be available as a precipitation based medicine for India 3 not. This is the thing, guys. This is the cost of tablet 103 per tablet. Okay, per tablet, not the sheet. Per tablet with recommended dose being 1800 gram twice day on day 1, followed by 800 mg twice daily up to day 14. In day 1, you should uh, what do you call, you should have 1800 mm, guys, and after that what you need to do is followed by 800 mm, and that's it, guys. I'm going to do another video also, guys, about this in my fact series. So this is pretty much awesome, guys, and this is a good thing, guys, except India and China war tensions. Okay, and let's go to AP 10th class results. All were passed, and AP intermediate who had failed, they are passed, guys. This is also interesting. And Glenmark, okay, and this is also okay, guys. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. I forgotten the main thing, guys. Sorry, what I'm doing. Just click on this and open it, guys. And this is Udemy course, guys. Udemy course 21st June, guys, valid up to 24 hours. Okay, and C program for beginners. Let's open this one. Those who passed in intermediate, those who want to go to CSC, IT, or CC like that, you may choose this one, guys. Just enroll this one, because you can learn C program first as a beginner, and after that learn Python, Java, .NET like that. That's pretty much awesome. Build your AI chatbot using RASA in 1 day. Okay, this is also a bit of CSC students like that. I'm going to enroll this one, and after that learn C++ program from scratch. This is also CSC program, guys. CSC people, you can enroll this one, those who want. I'm a civil student, guys, even though I should learn this one, because I just want to design my own AI based on stock market, for the stock market, guys. Okay, that's a different thing. TEFL course, teach English online as a foreign language. Let's see. This is a bit of, this is a, yeah, I think so. This is for those who want to go to abroad, GMAT and Profile like that. TEFL course, Profile course or TEFL course, we don't know. Okay, and after that, learn Excel from beginner to advanced. I just had learned these, guys, already. I had another course too, guys. This is 3 hours of course. Those who want to learn Excel, just go to Excel and enroll these, guys. And this is the best thing for you. Complete introduction to data analytics with Tableau. What is this? Data science. Yeah, data mining they call. This is also interesting, guys. Those who want to enroll, just enroll this one. And this is also CSA. Life Ray for beginners. Create your own website without coding. Okay. I must really add to my watch list. Okay, enroll like this. Enroll. And start the course. And add to favorite, guys. Favorite this. Okay, and that's it. And what's this? Where it is? Teflon, where it is? Okay, this is all about 2 hours. Okay. Work from home workout, fitness like that, posture 21 days transformation. Yeah, this is also interesting. Microsoft SQL Server for beginners, to expert. This is also for Microsoft guys. This is also some CSC type like that. Yeah. And this also 2 hours like that. SQL Server for beginners, Microsoft. And I'm going to this one, mental max loan multiplication tables up to 100 in 30 minutes. These days we are using calculation in our phone itself guys. I think so somewhat no need, but I like mathematics, so I'm just enrolling this one because I used to get money cents in my school days. Electrical construction site installation and management. Okay, this is for electrical people, and this showing somewhat AutoCAD drawings like that. You can see electrical construction site installation, construction site itself, installation management. Okay, that's a good thing. Electrical people guys, podcast coaching. I don't know what it is. Podcast profits. This is for network marketing people. I think so, guys. Business, yeah. It's for business people. And Grafana beginners to advanced course. What it is, Grafana? I don't know. Okay. She's a teacher, guys. See, this is a review. No, not review. Allow teaching and teacher and art work with enthusiastic. I think so. It's a kind of art, guys. Arts. Yeah. Or graph. My God, this is graph, guys. I like graphs. And what there in this? In this. Art tech. Okay, art teachers, guys. This is for art teachers. Those who like art tech, we can learn this one. This is also interesting, guys. And master confidence and goal setting from a world record holder. Okay, what it is? Master confidence goal setting from a world record holder. What does it mean? Master. Okay, this is somewhat motivation like that, guys. Those who do want to motivate, just enroll this one, guys. Some days after you may get communication and mindset, how to be likable and sweet. Okay, this is also important. I'm so rash to others, guys, most of the times, because this is also some motivation like that, guys. And some more communication is this is pretty much useful for managing and network marketing. And in the case of stock market, there is no need to talk with anyone, guys. Just what you need to do is practice. That's it. And every time you're going to practice. This is the best thing for my engineer, but this is for electrical engineers. I'm gonna share with you guys, electrical people. Most of you just trying to connect networks by their own in manually, but you need to do it in this software also, guys. Just go through these, guys. This today I just have seen mostly EC people, triple E people, guys. This is for triple E, electrical people. AutoCAD, yeah, 3 for engineers and designers. Okay, but most of 3D drawings we're gonna place in 3ds Max like that, and the Revit, guys, or AutoCAD. 3D modeling like that. Okay, this is also important, guys. I'm a civil engineer. I like to enroll this one a lot. And that's it, guys. 8 hours of lecture. alignment, working surface. They showed somewhat working with points. Okay, pipeline network. Okay, road networks for pipeline networks. Like this guys. Okay, guys. Let's go to another one. Podcast with NPL. Let's close all these things. Yeah, this is with a high audience like that. Okay, dating relationship, love, making them last forever. To be frank, I'm not interested in this because after making money, I want to love. Why? Because before loving, I need to care for them. But I don't have any money, guys. So I don't want to love anyone, guys. After getting money, I'm gonna love. That's what my mentality is. So your mentality, I don't know. I'm just living for you. Vulnerability analysis course for ethical hacking. This also from a CSC background like that, guys. I had enrolled many things and I had completed those courses also. Cyber security. This is also for CSC, guys. And EC Council CASS Security Certified Specialist Practice Test. Okay. This is somewhat council like their practice test, guys. Don't certificate easily. Yeah, I had seen this many times. This is also exam, guys, and this is also exam. Ultimate Web Development Guide. This is exam, guys. Those who want to enroll this one. This is also exam, guys. ANS, AWS, Amazon Web Service. Okay. This is also exam, guys. This is also This is not a exam. Yeah, this is also exam. That's it. Ultimate Web Guide. Okay, and PowerPoint. Please create engaging presentation. This is ultimate. Own web design from scratch. Complete beginner guide to web development from scratch and beautiful websites. I enrolled many things. I just completed many things of this. I'm gonna start this one also, and I'm gonna make this one as my favorite. Okay. And this one, guys, I'm going to enroll the PowerPoint and PZ, create engaging presentations. Okay, those who want presentations, new presentations like that, you can enroll this one, guys. And that's it for this day, guys. I think so. This is a long day, starting with my happiest moments with 10 tests pass, all students will pass, and after that, those who fail the intermediate, they're gonna pass also. There's no need to write supplies, and they're gonna promote their future to next level. Happy graduation. After that, you're gonna graduate, guys. So don't be worried. And after that, what I'm gonna do is my this Udemy courses, guys. This is for day, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is Sheikh Muhammad signing off. Bye bye.